Hello friends, we are Raghavendra and Rashmi Misra. Welcome to our channel. Friends, we are Vestige products user and few of our friends think Vestige products are costly. So let's have a comparison with the same number of items when we are purchasing from outside market and from Vestige. Friends, we have these brands available in Vestige. Friends, many products we use for our daily use purpose from market. For example, washing our cloth, we use detergent, liquid and tikia. Then we have cleaning our utensils, hand wash, tea, coffee, talcum powder, face wash, deo, oil, shampoo, soap, toothpaste, and many more items that we use in our grocery item, personal care, home care, skin care, agriculture care, and health care. Lot of items we use. Let's start comparison with when purchasing items from market and from Vestige. We have one Jeta tea 250 gram in MRP 120 rupees and distributor price 80 rupees. Distributor price means 10 to 20% discounted price from MRP. So when you purchase online investees from mobile app, from uh, online website or from their authorized store, then you will be paying 80 rupees, not MRP 120 rupees. So always you will be paying distributor price when purchasing from authorized Vestige store or website. In market, you might be getting MRP is given 125, 135 rupees, and 130 rupees you are going to pay. Toothpaste 65 rupees. You will be paying 100 gram. Market you will be paying 52 rupees. In Vestige we have two more toothpaste. You can try those also. Soap MRP 40 rupees, and you will be paying distributor price 26 rupees. And three shops you will be paying 78 rupees, in market around 100 to 130 rupees. So here what I added is MRP 155 rupees, and discount they are giving, so 130 rupees. Friends, we have two more shops available in Vestige, so you can try those also. Then toilet cleaner 110 rupees for 500 ml, for 1 liter 220 rupees. Market 151 rupees you have to pay, and MRP they are given 168 rupees. Mouthwash 175 rupees, outside 108 rupees. What is the right hand side I have added? Those are the products I have added in my add to cart in Amazon app. Toothpaste, for toothpaste in Vestige we can get 108 rupees, outside 86 rupees. Ultra Magic detergent, washing cloth, this is a 500 ml, 500 gram, 140 rupees, and 1 kg 280 rupees. In outside we will be getting 106 rupees. Friends, when I seen first time I thought it's too much product price, but when I have started using, I have seen I'm using less than half of the outside market brand. Also, once you see the whole video, you will be surprised with the price comparison, just like I got surprised. Olive oil 650 rupees, in Vestige outside 788 799 rupees. Jeta special coffee, first we had added tea, now this is a coffee. It's a 50 gram 119 rupees, for 100 gram 238 rupees. Quantity 2 you can order. Outside 100 gram 289 rupees. It's a breakfast, and 299 rupees in Vestige, outside 269 rupees. Shampoo 200 ml 122 rupees, outside you are getting going to pay 110 rupees. Rice bran is oil, this is a non-processed oil, this is not processed, so you will be getting very good quality, it's very healthy for the health. And 296 rupees you have to pay, outside 106 rupees. So this is for the 1 liter, 2 liter 212 rupees you have to pay. Liquid detergent cleaner 500 ml 321 rupees, outside 115 rupees. But Investige, what is available, that is organic. How you can check? You can simply take Vestige liquid detergent cleaner and market one, put in 1 glass little with little water and put turmeric powder in both. You will see the color change. Floor cleaner in Vestige available 186 rupees, market 92 rupees. Oil 124 rupees, outside 200 MRP, and you have to pay there 144 if you are ordering from Amazon. If you are taking from the shop, you will be getting for 200 rupees only. Dio 275 rupees, market 333 rupees if you are placing order from Amazon, and 500 if you are taking from MRP in any local store. Dio 52 rupees you will be getting always from the Vestige. Outside you are getting 110 rupees, but if you are placing order from Amazon, like I am getting here discounted price, so 99 rupees. Face wash 146 rupees you will be getting from Vestige. Outside 140 rupees you will be paying, but if you are placing order from Amazon, 1 rupee discount you can get, just like here it is added. Friends, this is like Volney move when you have back pain or any hair burning in the body, then you use it. So in Vestige you will be getting 129 rupees, outside 185 rupees. So let's add to cart all those items. We have seen the comparison 19 products in Vestige and same 19 products outside brand. So when I added to cart in the Amazon, you can see here it's a 3,834 rupees per month expense. Suppose with the changing the product, different products, almost same product you are ordering for 4 months, you have to pay 15,336 rupees when I'm considering the same amount of the order. And this is there's some discount added, otherwise this will be more than that. When we are placing the order of those products we have compared in Vestige, you can see here your total distributor price that you are paying 4,190 rupees, and 10 to 20% discount added in this already, and 10% worth of product you will be getting free when you are placing this order. So around 419 rupees product you will be getting free. And friends, next benefit is when you are placing order for 4 months, suppose similar amount of order you are placing for 4 months, that will be definitely 100 plus PV. So here PV means friends 30 rupees is around 1 PV. So when you're placing almost same order for 4 months, you are going to get 3000 MRP worth of coupon free of the cost, and its validity will be 8 months to 1 year, and you can place any products. There is no terms condition for that. So for per month saving, you are getting here 750 rupees. Friends, you are getting 5 to 11% cashback in Vestige, by default 5% by starting, and once your total purchasing including previous month increasing, then your cashback automatically get increases. For example, suppose your total purchasing become more than 18,000 rupees, then it will become 8%, by default 5%, and once you become 8% you will never come to 5% next order, always it will be 8% or more. So it's accumulative total previous purchase including the previous purchasing, and your cashback will be coming to your account. So here by default 5%, so almost 200 rupees we have counted. So total whatever you are paying here, let's deduct all the benefits you are getting here. So total you will be seeing 2,821 rupees you are purchasing, and expenses for the 4 month you are paying 11,284 rupees. So friends, what is the conclusion? The conclusion is that once you compare 4 month purchasing outside and same number of items in Vestige, in 4 months you are paying 11,284 rupees in Vestige, and outside 15,336 rupees. Friends, here when I added to cart invest Amazon, I got some discount also. But when you are purchasing the same thing from the market, from any local store, you are always paying MRP, and that is definitely more than this, right? 19 items that we have added in market, you might be getting more also. Friends, you can say, no, same items I can have the more cheaper. So friends, always it's your choice. You want to drive bicycle, you want to drive Activa, or you want to drive any other two-wheeler. What I mean to say, it's based on the people budget, they will go for it. But if you are having the same kind of purchasing outside, it's, you can decide what is worth for you. Is it worth for you trying in outside, or it's worth trying here in Vestige, right? So decision is always yours. If you have still question, you can call me, you can WhatsApp me. If you are already in the part of this project, you can call to your person who has introduced you in this project. If you are in my team, you can call me directly. And if you are a new person, you can reach out to me. So friends, thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.